Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we'll solve the quiz. First question is write a program to check whether the person is eligible for vote or not. First, take input age from the user to check whether the person is eligible for vote or not. Enter age. If age greater than or equal to 18, person is eligible for vote. Else, print person is not eligible for vote. Now run to check. Enter age. If we enter 18, we get person is eligible for vote. Again run and check. If we enter 15, we get person is not eligible for vote. Now the second question is write a program that input test score of student and display grade according to following criteria. First take input number. If number greater than or equal to 90, print grade A. Elif number greater than or equal to 80, then print grade B. Elif number greater than or equal to 70, then print grade C. Elif number greater than or equal to 60, print grade C. Grade D. And then else, if more greater than less than 60, write else, print grade F. Now run to check. Here enter number. You enter 78. Here you get C grade. Here you can check from 70 to 79, grade C. And here you get grade C. Now the third question is create a variable and assign any number to it. Then ask user to guess a number. If user guessed correctly, then print you win. If user did not guess correctly, then tell us whether user guessed lower than actual number or higher than actual number. First set number n equal to 65 according to your choice. Then take an input from the user to guess number. If n equal to guess, print you win. Else, if n not equal to guess, then again check. If n is less than guess, then print you guess higher than actual number. You guess high than actual number. And else, you guess lower than actual number. Now run to check. Here if we enter 65, we get you win because we guessed right. But if we guess low or higher than actual number, here you can check. you guess higher than actual number, and if you guess lower than higher number, here you can check you guess lower than actual number. Now if you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.